Block 15, at the market, English. Dialogue 1. A. Good morning. How much are these apples? B. Good morning. They are $2 a kilo. A. Can I take 1.5 kilos? B. Of course. Anything else? A. Yes, give me some grapes too. B. Here you are. That's $5 in total. Block 15, at the market, English. Dialogue 2. A. Excuse me, do you sell fresh herbs? B. Yes, parsley and mint today. A. I'll take a bunch of mint, please. B. Sure, that's $1. A. Great, and some tomatoes as well. B. Altogether it's $3.50. Block 15, at the market, English. Dialogue 3. A. Hello, do you have olives? B. Yes, green and black ones. A. Half a kilo of black olives, please. B. Here you go. Anything else? A. Some cheese, if it's fresh. B. Yes, try this one. Very tasty.